viewers, welcome back to my channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan and this video is different from my other videos. In this video, I am trying to explain you the time to utilize during this COVID wave 2. Yes, my dear students, the students who are in the final year and the students who are planning to take admission in their subsequent year due to the change in the curriculums, due to the change in this year, from last 1 year things have caused lot many uncertainties. So in this uncertainty you have to take some decision whereby you can utilize your time in doing a course which will help you further. So the students who are in the final year and they are not able to make any decisions for their master's admission, or like they are not clear about their job perspectives, so in order to utilize this time they can consider this as an opportunity to enroll in any of the good online program. Now how this online program will add the skill development into their resume. So any student who is in the final year who is not able to decide which course to adopt for, whether to take for master's admission and if to take the admission into which specialization in pharmaceutics, pharmacology, or like that. So like altogether in the pharma there have been some traditional courses and some later on from past few years non-traditional courses have also taken a good place. So here I am going to share with you few good courses you can enroll upon, you can think, you can plan during this COVID era so that you can utilize your time to the best, and this is going to add up to your resume and this will help you in your like job progression path. So if you still not subscribed to my channel Pharmacypedia, please do like, share and subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and important content related to pharmacy. So here I am going to talk about 5 courses you can think upon to enroll in an online mode, so that even if you get the job you can complete the course, or even if you plan to take the admission after 3 to 4 months, it will help you out in doing the value addition to your resume. So here I am going to discuss about the out of the box courses. So these are non-traditional courses. So one of the courses like diploma in clinical research. In the COVID area, you must have witnessed that a lot of emphasis has been taken in the clinical research part. Many companies are investing and like they plan to establish their centers or like that. So like having a diploma in clinical research will help you out in planning for the job prospects also. So there are various e-tools which the course may be self-paced and on online exams, which can make the things easier and less complicated for the participants. So clinical research industry in India is constantly growing and the recession proof. So at the same time it's very challenging and dynamic. So only professionally trained employees which plan to make their mark and reach the pinnacles of the success in this fast moving industry can go and plan ahead for doing the diploma in clinical research institute. So like I am not going to share like which institute you can plan. I'm just suggesting the area, the skill you can develop upon during this COVID area. For example, doing a course in diploma in clinical research will help you out to like if you plan to enter in future also into the clinical research part. So one of the institute offering this is like IGMP India, Good Manufacturing Practices India.org. So you can, like I have mentioned in the bottom part of my slide, where you can just see that this institute is offering the good quality course that too through the online media, and like it will help you out in like planning for your future also. Next question is a course which you can look upon is like doing post-graduation diploma in clinical trial management. Again, more or less similar to that, but again it is going to help you out in not entirely discovering through many institutes are offering this course. So very few colleges which are offering this course is like in a 1-year program. So you can roll upon this program, and like one of the institute offering this program is like ICRIindia.com. So you can refer this website whereby you can know the details about the curriculum, the details about the program, and even this type of the course helps you in like grabbing a job into that specific area. The third course which I want all of you to look upon is like postgraduate diploma in pharmacy practice and drugstore management. Believe me, my dear students, pharmacy practice is one of the most upcoming area. In India, it is not well recognized enough, but if you talk about the abroad or you plan to go abroad, then pharmacy practice is one of the most important area which is being looked upon, and the requirements are a lot more. So if you do a course in like pharmacy practice and drugstore management, it is definitely going to help you out. And these are the short courses which will add value to your resume, and you will get the skill development at the same time. So like seeing the situation around, if you plan to look upon it doing the short course, I'm sure it is going to help you out. The next important side which you can look upon is the regulatory affairs course. Yes, my dear students, I'm not going to tell you the program. You can go to the masters by doing the masters M.Pharm, or like you can do any of the online course from specifically for the regulatory affairs. But I'm sure that if you utilize and do such kind of the course, it is going to be working as an opportunity in this COVID area period. So it is designed for the students who are willing to study the fundamentals of the regulatory submissions in the medicinal field. So there are various managing aspects of how the drugs and the medicinal products are brought into the regulated market from different countries such as US, Europe and Canada, etc. So these are actually the short courses which can inspire you to work for the clinic or like so I hope this is going to help you out if you plan to visit. And one of the thing area like medical coding and also can be looked upon into that. One of the areas which you can look upon is like becoming a patent agent. My dear students, if after B.Pharm you plan to do the LLB, you can become a patent attorney as well. So if you don't do even LLB, you can become a patent agent. So one of the time period which you can utilize during this COVID era time is that by exploring that how to become a patent agent. And like for details, you can refer to the ipindia.nes.in for further details. So these are the few courses which I feel you can look upon, you can like decide upon depending on your interest. So if you know in what area you want to enter, what is your interest, definitely you do plan for doing course in that specific area. It is in this period of uncertainty in COVID, it is really advisable to all of you to pursue a skill program which will further help you out. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and important content related to pharmacy. Thank you so much everyone.